Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of cooking. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through how I prepare this simple, easy and delicious egg stew. If this is your first time, I'd like to say thank you for clicking on this video to watch, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, I'd like to say thank you for staying with me. If you'd like to watch how I made this delicious egg stew, please stay tuned as we dig in. To begin with, you need your onions, your fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, your garlic, and your ginger. And of course, you need your eggs, because as the name suggests, egg stew, so you need eggs. And for the spices, I'm going to be using Onga spices for stew, my seasoning cube, that is the Maggi shrimp cube, my curry powder, the Gino brand, and my mixed spices. You can use any other spices that you have, and this is what I'm going to be using. And of course, I'm going to be using my vegetable oil, and this is the sunflower oil. So as you can see here, I'm just cutting my tomatoes and my other ingredients to be blended, and I'm just cutting it so that it will be easier to blend. So that's what I'm doing here. So after blending all my ingredients together, I have the consistency that I want, and I pour my oil into my saucepan, heated it a little bit, but here I think I overheated it, so it was very hot. And as you can see, as I was pouring my blended ingredients into the hot oil, it started splashing, so I had to pause. So that is that. After that, I'm going to leave it to cook for, I think, close to 25 minutes. Check it, but then I'll be stirring it intermittently, yes, otherwise it will burn. So that's what I'll be doing. Then after the water has evaporated from the stew, I'll add my spices to taste, then add my egg. For me, I beat my egg, so then you see it as it goes. I'll add my egg, leave it a little bit to simmer on the fire on low heat, then my stew is done. So that is it. So as I showed you earlier on, the spices that I would add to my stew, here I added my mixed spices, then I added my Onga stew spice, then I added the seasoning cube, that's the Maggi shrimp, and curry powder. That's all that I used. I didn't use a lot of spices, so that's all the spices that I used in this video to prepare my egg stew. And after, I just beat my egg. I used about 5 small eggs. So depending on how you like your stew, you can use as many eggs as you want. So that I used 5 eggs. I just cracked them open in a bowl, because sometimes you would crack them open and you find certain things in it. So I cracked them open in a bowl, then I beat it before pouring it into my stew. So I left the stew to cook some more on very low heat because I didn't want it to burn. So that's what I did. I just left it on the fire to cook very low heat because you don't want it to burn. Yes, then after that I paired this with rice. I made a special rice, so you'd see it. I paired it with rice and it tasted so delicious. And you can eat this with pap, you can eat this with boiled yam, boiled plantain, and as you can see, that was it. So if you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.